Yeah, let people come in, come in, come in. Information of healing and nutrition. See the topic AI. Let more people come in so that way you want to get familiar with the information and what to do to heal and the products you need to order. We're in a time of AI. AI don't exist without the mankind. AI is there to manipulate your your whole beginning of time, existence, right? AI is the monopoly and the way of diseases to be healed and cured within humans. We are the AI. We are the experience. We are the light. We are the, the AI operators. AI don't operate without humans. So the fear of humans being existed will never happen. Okay? Remember, AI is here to be plugged in with us as the phenom. I'm Dr. Ptah. We've been healing, curing, reversing pathologies, diseases, teaching history, Kabbalah, systems, bodybuilding, sports nutrition, diseases, human autonomy, cell biology, over 50 years and counting now. So AI depends on your body. You are the AI. Your cells, your tissue, your membrane, your genetic makeup, your memory, your eyes, your nose, your hair, your skin, your pigments, your DNA, your RNA, your immunity, your B cells, your protein cells, your autonomic nervous system, your parasitic nervous system. So know who you are. Peptides is the biggest trending thing on now. Peptides and AI for what would it do for mankind? We make products that has peptides in it. That peptides is your body. Peptides is insulin. Peptides is amino acids. Peptides is cell oxygen to the body that peptides don't give. Oxygen must be in your body to repair blood flow, damaged cells, tissue. Without oxygen and blood flow, peptides is ineffective. So the products we have for 40 years now restart your stem cells, your peptide function, L-dopamine. You see, the cells is constantly renewing peptides, inflammation, acid, plaque, debris, cell membrane, cell structure, cell tissue, immunity cells, T cells, T17, T18. Okay? So the Dr. Ptah Dominant Life product gives you energy. There's no such thing as Vox. So you hear everything they're talking about Vox. That don't exist. Your body is a cell respiration. That means oxygen in the lungs, carbon dioxide, red blood flow, potassium, sulfur, breaking down the lungs, breaking down the tissue. So the body constantly is making and harmoniously working in peptides. But you got damaged peptides because of inflammation. So they give you adrenaline artificial peptides because BP 157, all these peptides is replacing damaged peptide function in your body. You're paying thousands of dollars for stuff that's going to wear out. Your body was not made to produce erroneous outside interference of peptides. You see how Charles Barkley looking now? He talking, he constantly licking his lips, he's slurring when he talk, his skin getting skin because why? You're taking out carbohydrate out of your tissue, glycogen, muscles. You see? So when you're taking these peptides and you're taking these Ozempic products, they sucking out muscle tissue from you, not just fat cells. Fat cells is in your liver. Fat cells is covering your body because now your skin now gets what? The fatty deposits and the adipose tissue, the brown tissue. So when you take artificial insulin, artificial peptides, you're sucking out your natural carbohydrate. Carb mean energy to the cell, to the muscle. So when your skin get dehydrated because you keep sucking out energy out of the tissues, your skin get dehydrated, your skin get thin, your skin get dry, your lips get dry, because now you're dehydrating the muscle tissue, the skin tissue. Your skin person carry hydration. When you deplete the body of glycogen, carbohydrates, protein, salts, the body break down. So all these peptides and insulin receptors become what? Dehydrated. As the insulin receptors become dehydrated, your receptors no longer work. Vitamin D is sunlight. So you're sucking out vitamin D, phosphorus, calcium, silica, boron, the vitamin D matrix of the bone density matrix of the body. So every time you take a peptide, an insulin receptor, insulin shot, you're pulling down your bones. You're breaking down your bones. You're dehydrating. You're calcifying the bones, the tissue. Why you think you get the V shape in your face? Because you're taking out fat. You're taking out hydration. Because you're pulling everything out of your body to do what? Produce weight loss. To produce what? Energy, to turn off the mitochondria. So when you're taking these peptides, you're turning off the mitochondria. They ain't telling you that. So that's why you look at Charles Barkley. Yeah, he lost weight, but you see how and you see him constantly licking his lips because he's dehydrated. Dehydration causes the body to now not re-energize itself through the mitochondria, melanin, DNA sequencing, genetic what? Energy, cell tissue energy. Your mitochondria is the battery with ATP. ATP is re-energizing, restarting, restructuring the genetic of your mitochondria, the powerhouse of the battery of all living cell. So when you turn off the mitochondria, you turn off the energy cells, you turn off the cells to produce the electric transport to re-energize eyes, skin, hair, bone, tissue. So you're constantly decalcifying, de-energizing, depleting, degenerating cells and tissue. So every time you take these peptide shots and these insulin receptors turned off shot, you're turning off your natural genetic thing. Your body need carbohydrates. When you deplete that, you're turning off the carb cycle, which is the Randall cycle, the Krebs cycle. You have fasted carbs, you have slow carbs, you have complex carbs, you have fast receptor carbs. So when you get with Dr. Ptah, you get the dominant life caps from us. You see, you're trying to go against nature and you're gonna fail because nature is your supreme self of immunity, cells, structure, behavior, carbohydrate, lights, pigments, berries, greens, tissues. So when you turn off the mitochondria to re-energize that electric transport with ATP and then AMPK in the bones, in the cell, vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, magnolite, melanin. Melanin is your receptors. Melanin is your color. Vitamin D, your skin, your tissue, your eyes. The sunlight goes into your eyes. That's why you see Kemet, you see Ra is looking where? You see Akanin is looking where? To the sun. The sun is engulfing your eyes. So when you deplete sunlight, you deplete immunity, you deplete hydrolyte, hydroelectrolyte. See? Hydroelectrolyte. So when you get the Dr. Ptah Dominant Life caps, we re-energizing the mitochondria, the DNA, the genetic type. Place your order. Email me now. The website will be opening soon, but everybody ordering and buying until the website open. Okay, Dominant Life caps. Get the Dominant Life caps, oxygen, mitochondria, blood, bones, tissue, energy, cells, iron, zinc, prostate gland, immunity cells, iodine, metabolism, skeletal structure. Dominant Life caps. That's all your peptide function in your bones, your tissue, your immunity, your stem cells, your oxygen, your cell respiration, your cell energy, your cell type, your bone type, calcium, magnesium, silica, phosphorus. The Dominant Life caps. Order it now. Iron. When you lack an iron, your mitochondria battery burns out. Because when your iron is low, what is sending energy to the cells? What is sending energy to the blood? What is sending energy to the eyes? Your eyes is full of blood. Your brain is full of what? Blood. Why you think when you blow your nose, what happens sometimes? What do you think happens? You blow out blood, right? When your nose gets stuffy, your sinus, why you blow out blood? Because blood is in your brain for circulation oxygen, your neurotransmitters, right? So when the blood is not flowing right, it gets stifled. Your sinus get blocked, inflammation occur. Now your blood gets stagnant. So you got blocked sinus nodes, ear, eyes, nose, brain. See? So iron helps clear the body of excess blood flow that's becoming stagnant. So it's for iron, energy, skin type, high blood pressure is iron related, because what is high blood pressure? That means your blood gets sticky, cause insulin problems. Your pressure raises high because it don't come down because the blood is staying high because the blood is not flowing through the internal pathways. See? So then it gets stuck in the heart and it forms a hard deposit, hard calcium. Angina. Angina is constriction of the wall. Plaque. Vessels of the wall. Little dots. Plaque forms on it. See, like wearing black? That's plaque. Covers your arteritic walls. So you get the Dominant Life caps. Place your order, $75. Everybody goes crazy on it. We got bodybuilders on it. Energy, cell, receptors, iron, bone, tissue, iodine, muscle building. The Dominant Life caps, peptides. Order dr.ptah@icloud.com. You got any heart problems, hypertension, blood flow problem, neuropathy, colon, stomach, you order with the Life Flow caps, $150. Dr. Ptah, Dominant Life caps, Dr. Ptah Life Flow caps. Circulation, energy, oxygen, brain, heart, hypertension, blood pressure, diabetes, colon problems, stomach problems, energy problems. So you gotta burn fat, circulation, thermogenic, metabolism, fatty tissue deposit in the liver. You don't want nothing to store. You want to use all your energy through metabolism, through what? Schuh and Tefner. That means what? Energy pathways. You want to burn out all waste, all water, build muscle, lean out, hydrate, electrolyte. Dr. Ptah Dominant Life caps. Place your order now. Email me dr.ptah@icloud.com. Place your orders now. Get with us. We the only one that have this and teach you. See how the doc look? Look at this. Ooh, look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. You see that, right? You see that, right? Look at that. Look at that. Okay? So you want to get in this greatness. Remember, AI is your friend, not against you. AI don't work without you because AI needs humans to perform its job. AI can't do nothing without humans. Okay? So don't worry about AI. The AI is you, the living entity and body. So you got to take care of your body so they don't clone you with a microchip and a biochip to put inside of your body so AI could read your body. So you no longer go and get regular blood work. You'll be getting the AI microchip, which they've been trying to chip for the last 40 years now. The New World Order, because the new systems, the new hierarchy, the new ID, the new currency, the new law. So what law do you stand on? What path do you stand on? What genetic energy do you stand on? Are you the God body? Because the God body is you, which means government or then department. God is in the water, God is in the trees, God is in mankind, God is an offspring, God is seed, sperm, breast, brains, tissue. That is God having an experience called mankind, earth. The earth is the I am, the fullness of earth. The heaven declares his glory, big bang, boom, mankind is formed. Bacteria, placenta, water. Man is formed through structure, through pigments, through DNA, through bone photosynthesis. Know who you are, know what you are. But if you follow the pathway of them, you would follow the pathway of destruction, death, disease. Come to Dr. Ptah. We've been doing this for a lifetime. They could never catch me. No AI, nor the scholar, nor the doctor. Nobody could ever catch Dr. Ptah. Everybody, Doc, how you say? Remember, I got an 82-year-old father. Think about that. We know what we do, and we are the living entity. The peptides work in your body through the herbs, through the plant, through the photosynthesis. If you get artificial peptides, your DNA is going to be broken down. Your skin is breaking down. Your eyes, your tissue. Give thanks. Give thanks. Okay? So you got to know where you at. A lot of y'all black, brown, blue, white, European, wherever you at, if you're not in they space and thing, you're gonna be left out. So that means because you're not buying peptides, you're not buying no Zempex, semaglutide, you're not buying drugs, you're to be left out. What about you? So I'm here as Dr. Ptah to give you what you need to survive this onslaught of peptides. They get ready, they having the hearings now. So you're going to be forced to buy peptides against your will and your insurance. What do you think is moving on? Big Pharma only keeps they keep pushing it on. Big Pharma never stop. Okay? So you got to know where you stand on this AI bot game. Okay? No, the peptides, no to peptides. So I'm showing you what you need to get the peptides that we have for you that works with the natural peptide function in your body. The Dr. Ptah Dominant Life Caps. Hold on. Right here. See the Dominant Life Caps? Right here. Okay? That would do everything you need to do it for your peptides. Remember, peptides is naturally in your body. Remember, you're taking peptides because you're saying that your body don't work no more. Metabolism, digestion, burning fat burn. This is going to take care of it all. Dominant Life Caps. This is the peptides in nature. They want you to forget nature and depend on vaccines, depend on shots, depend on artificial insemination, artificial drugs. They want your body to be dependent on these things, and your body no longer work. As soon as you stop taking these drugs, your body don't work no longer, because your chemical affinity and structure of peptides, pigments, DNA no longer works, because you burnt out your natural what? Tissue, your natural what? Circulation, immunity, B cells, antiviral cells, your natural stem cells in your body. Once you start putting drugs in your body works on the drugs, and it fails you because you're putting a Band-Aid in it, and you're putting something in it that it no longer could deal with, because now the cells, the structure, the DNA, your immunity, the information in there now no longer work. So the epigenetics of your DNA don't work no more. Right here, Dr. Ptah Dominant Life Caps. This gives you energy, bone, peptide, stem cell renewal. In nature, do not fall for the guilt trip and the guilt trap. Once you start putting these shots in your body's gonna pay you back with diseases in different ways. People getting depressed, people can't eat, all this stuff going on with them. Why? Because you're eating away the natural affinity of metabolism, mitochondria, microbiome, melanin. Every drug you take in your body eats tissue. When you're eating tissue, you're eating away the 4 M's. Melanin, microbiome, mitochondria. So the body breaks down. So you want to order this right here, Dominant Life Caps. This is what we give all our clients, all bodybuilders, all immunity, all longevity. You talking about biohack? This is the biohack of life. The Dominant Life Caps. You burn weight, burn fat. You're going to be able to eat. Your metabolism going to speed up. Digestion going to speed up. Your bones going to build up. Your thyroid gland. Inflammation, acid, waste, plaque going to go. This right here is your peptide solution. Dr. Ptah Dominant Life Caps. Get with us. The time is now. The more you wait, the more they screw with you, because they replace one drug for another drug. And you become a drug-filled entity, and you become a walking zombie, the walking dead. See? You become like the walking dead. Why do you think they bring out all of these stuff? You become the walking dead. And then now when you become the walking dead don't eat. They eat off of blood. So what you gonna be? You gonna turn barbaric? You gonna start eating people in the streets? You gonna start become a creature eater? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna be barbaric? Are you gonna be eating living human flesh? Are you? Think about it. Cause that's what all the drugs do. They turn you into a cannibalistic person. That's why they take on the V shape, because their body start turn catabatic. That's why they lose bone, they lose tissue. Barbarism, study it. Barbaric behavior, they replace it through drugs, peptides, Ozempic. See how Serena Williams look? Barbarism behavior. I'm telling you what I know, not what I think. I'm telling you what is the true history of medicine, of Rockefeller and their laws, Zombatic medicine. Let me see what somebody stupid put, because you know somebody once put something stupid. Oh, okay, don't worry. Let's see whoever that is. All right, so subscribe. Place your order, Dr.Ptah Dominant Life Caps. Dr.Ptah Dominant Life Caps. $75, 100 caps, 3 in the AM, 3 in the PM. Okay? Hold on. Place your order right now, Dr.Ptah Dominant Life Caps. Email me dr, lowercase, dr.ptah at icloud.com. Place your order. Telling you, everybody going crazy. This is time tested. Peptide, energy, bones, metabolism, blood flow, iron, zinc for your hair, your prostate gland, zinc for your immunity, calcium for the bones, phosphorus for the bones, thyroid gland, thyroid functioning, all your iodine, metabolism, skeletal structure, iron. Get with us now. How you gonna win the war against AI? How you gonna win the war against Bill Gates and genetic engineering foods? How you gonna win it? You're not gonna win it you're not gonna outfast the world. Don't follow these people. Oh, I'm fasting, and you see them, they sick. Couple years, they pass away. They die. A lot of them die. Because why? You can't outfast chemicals and chemtrail. Don't let nobody fool you. We fast every day, naturally. Fasting is nature's natural ability of oxygen, light, energy flow. Not you're fasting away because you stop eating pork and you're eating turkey and you're eating lamb and you're eating chicken, you're eating beef, you're eating all the dead foods, and then you're going to say, oh, I'm going to fast it away. It don't work like that. The body is a light-coded energy system that got to be fed and built every day. This is what we do every day. 50 years and counting. Dr.Ptah, Dominant Life. I got an 82-year father. We cured and reverse diseases all over the world. Thousands of clients. As a naturopathic doctor, as a cell biologist, you name it. Okay? So hold on. So, yep. So, place your orders. Email me now, dr.ptah at icloud.com. We do Cash App, we do PayPal, we do Apple Pay. So, get your orders in. We send orders all over the world every Saturday. Every Saturday. Okay? The Dominant Life Caps. Blood flow, energy flow. You going to feel amazing. You got heart problems, you got brain problems, you got inflammation, you order the Dr.Ptah Life Flow Caps with this. $150. 100 caps each bottle. Okay? You got to win the war against genetic diseases, mankind diseases, laboratory diseases. So you got to beat that hierarchy system. Okay? Place your order, get with Dr. Ptah. Follow the page, subscribe. Follow the page, subscribe. It helps the algorithm, it helps me. We don't take third party. Everything is done by I. Okay? So there's no third party company, there's no binders, fillers. This is 100% pure. No binders, no fillers. Everything is made for your immune system, your bone, your tissue, your energy, oxygen. So you want to get it now. Place your order now. Email me at dr.ptah@icloud.com. Get it now. Become a winner. Become greatness. Live great, be great, do greatness. Dr. Ptah, I'm out of here. Follow, subscribe, email. Follow the page, subscribe, put on the notification bell. Follow us. And follow us on TikTok too, Dr. Ptah. dr.ptah. Follow us on TikTok too, subscribe. Follow us. We bringing back the IG account soon. Okay? So we gave them 8 years in IG. Students, we had students, we was teaching them there, became students, they became affiliates, all of that. Okay? So you got the opportunity now. Get with greatness, become great. Dr. Ptah. We out of here.